everyone, Daisy here again with another layout. This one is for Moira's 1000 SUBBIE party and giveaway. She is doing a giveaway over on her channel, so definitely head on over there and check out the information on how to get entered for the amazing giveaway. But we are all coming together and celebrating Moira. So the requirement for this hop was to do something staycation inspired, so I'm definitely doing that, but I chose to take it a step further, and I am actually scraplifting one of Moira's beautiful layouts. She did one, oh, I didn't write down the date this is from, but it was not too long ago. And I really loved the design of this and the mixed media in the background, so I am scraplifting Moira just as an added tribute to her. If you have not checked out her channel, she is the sweetest person ever, so you definitely want to head on over and check her out. She does great layouts, she has tons of content, so she's just the best. So definitely I'll have a link down below for her channel, so check that out. So I am following her layout, or the design for her layout very closely. However, I'm changing it up just a little bit. So I chose to use this paper, and I believe this is Amy Tangerine paper. And in Moira's layout, she had added little pieces to kind of create her design elements, and I am using the same color background, but then I chose to use this rainbow paper, just, I don't know, to add a little something that was like more my style, so I'm mixing up our two styles. So she has polka dot mixed media in the background, and I am adding the same with this Nouveau glitter paste, and I absolutely love this stuff. It's very subtle because I do end up covering up most of it over on that left hand side, but you can see all of the stuff that I'm adding on the right, and it's just like the perfect kind of hint of mixed media in the background, and it's definitely the kind of mixed media that I really like doing. I am a big stencil user. If you follow me, especially recently, I've been using them a lot more, but yeah. So my background paper, I don't know if I said this already, I chose it based off of Moira's design to kind of pick the same kind of colors. And here, so I want to add something to that diagonal line, and so I thought I could use the other side of this paper, but that doesn't end up working out. So I come up with something else. I'm pulling out a few trims here that I thought would work really well. And I do try them out, but I don't end up using those two that you see there. But I do use that scallop piece. And that scallop piece is something that I got from like the Target dollar spot a while ago. And it was, that's all I have left. It's like a leather or faux leather scallop. And I think those two pieces are all I have left. So I'm just pulling out things that I think I might use. Should have done this ahead of time. Yeah, didn't really do that. So I wanted my title to be relax, and it was going to be relax in the sun, but I ended up changing that just because of kind of the space that I have won't allow for the big word relax to really stand out, so I have to change it up a little bit. And I choose to do something that I've been doing. This is like going to be the second layout that I've done this technique on, layering up some tags. You'll see that in a minute here. But I'm just working on playing around with these embellishments that I could use to kind of, I don't know, create that diagonal line, I guess. And I'm really loving this scallop border piece, so that's what I'm going to end up using. And just cutting out these tags. These are from Pretty Little Studio, and they come in like a whole bunch of different colors. They're cut apart sheet, or like cut apart tags. Surprisingly, one of my favorite products, even though I hate cutting them out, but I really like tags a lot and I love the colors of Pretty Little Studios. So I'm just going to layer these up like this, kind of making them a little bit wonky, and then I'm going to put my title on top. And these are Ellie Studio letters that I got from Paper Issues, and they are transparent, so they have to be backed with something. You can't put them on a busy background because they kind of blend in. And I'm just going to staple them onto this tag piece here. And I'm just trying to make sure that I have enough space. And then I end up having to pick the staples out because they end up getting super crooked. And I'm okay with a little crooked, but they all were leaning the same way and I didn't like that. So I pull them apart and re-staple them. But this is something I just did not too long ago on a layout too, layering up the tags and then putting my title down on top of it, and I really, really like doing that, so you'll probably see it more. I've been really, when I find a technique I like lately, I have been like hammering it. Like every layout I have has been having like doodly border on the outside and yeah, using white backgrounds and stuff. It just, yeah. Once I find what I like I really stick with it until I get bored with it and then I stop using it. But anyhow, just gluing down these trim pieces, and I'm just using my Nuvo glue, also from Paper Issues. I love this glue. This is replacing my Tombow Mono Multi because I can't afford the Tombow anymore, so highly recommend it. Oh, what was I gonna, time to relax is what I was gonna, but I didn't like the way that that looked with the relax down there, so instead I'm gonna do a little subtitle over there that says Fun and Sun. And I'm trying to use these thickers up because I don't like them. Like the font is okay. They're very skinny, puffy stickers. They don't stick at all. Even sometimes with liquid glue, they won't stick. And they're a weird color white. I don't even know. It's like a really cool white, but so much so that it doesn't match anything else. So I just kind of want to use them and get them to go away out of my stash. So what else am I going to do here? I'm working on the cluster, kind of following Moira's cluster that she has. So I'm going to layer up a bunch of different papers here. She used all like teals and red, and I am going a little crazy and just using whatever I have. I'm not going with too much extra color. Like teal is kind of the color I'm going for, but I'm adding some black and white, and then this Felicity Jane gray diagonal stripe, because I didn't want to go too crazy since I have all the rainbows in the background. And then I just realized I was like totally off camera there, but whatever. You got the gist of what I was doing. So my title piece is going to go pretty much where it is now. I decide to add that frame, and you're not going to see the photo that I choose until the close-ups at the end, because I was using a recent photo and I had to print it off, and my printer was not connecting to my phone, so I had to mess around with it. So you won't see the photo until the close-ups at the end, but that's okay. And then I had pulled out my Amy Tangerine little bin of die cuts, and I'm going through seeing what I can use. Really, there is no rhyme or reason to this layout so much. Like I get an ice cream cone on there, but really has nothing to do with anything. Do I end up adding the cat? Oh no, I changed it out for a heart, I think. Yeah, the sunglasses, I mean, those make a little bit of sense, but just adding some fun elements here. that heart. I really like that heart a lot. They should do more glitter stuff like that. And then I have that little piece that's a little cut apart from one of the 6x6 paper pads that I had. And yeah, I don't really know if I do a whole lot more. So you can see I did cover up a lot of that mixed media over on the left hand side, but yeah, it's alright. I was going to go back in and add some more, but then I was afraid I was going to like mess it up. I think I went off camera here and was trying to get my photo to print, and I don't have any luck. I don't have any luck, and I'm like, well, let's just finish the layout and then I can come back and do it. So I decided to add a little tag of this gray and white stripe up to that corner cluster because I thought it needed a little extra something up there. And I do add some sequins as well. Just going through everything that I pulled apart or pulled out to see if there's anything else I can add. Oh, I do add a couple of these word phrase sticker things from Dear Lizzie. And then the sequins are going to come out. So in the description box below, there will be a list of everybody who's participating in this hop. Again, celebrating Moira's 1000 SUBBIE party. So definitely jump around, check out everybody's video, leave a little love for everybody, but don't forget Moira's video is important because if you want to join in the giveaway, that's where the information and the rules are for the giveaway. So definitely you want to go check out her creation and get the, you know, lowdown on the rules. So I hope you enjoy this video. It was a lot of fun to make. I really love Moira's designs, and I've had to follow her in a telephone like hop game thing before, and she's just so much fun to take inspiration from. So I can't say it enough. Definitely go and subscribe to her if you aren't already. And yeah. But there are a lot of talented ladies playing along in this hop, and we all just want to show our love and appreciation for Moira. So check out everybody else's videos as well. So I think we're pretty much to the end of this layout. What am I doing now? Oh, I'm going to add more sequins because I didn't have enough. So I need to, there's got to be a sufficient layer of sequins on every single one of my layouts. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I will see you again soon. Bye!